So for this question here, we have to use trial and error to work out what the value of x is to one decimal place. So it's always worth drawing a little table for a question like this. So we have your value of x that you're going to substitute in, the value of 2x cubed plus x minus 10, and then whether it's too high or too low, because we need the answer to be 0. So they've told us it lies between 1 and 2, so my first two things I'm going to try are when x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. So I've got two lots of x cubed, which my x is 1 cubed, plus x. I'm putting all of my x's in brackets just so that I can go back and quickly change them and know which bits I'm changing. So I've got minus 1, which is too low because I'm looking for 0, and when I change those all to 2's, I get 8, which is too high. So now I'm going to try 1.5. I'm going to go in the middle to see, because it looks like it's going to be around the middle. So I'm going to substitute 1.5 in. Which is given negative 1.75, which is too low, so I need to try something a bit higher. So I'm going to try 1.6, which gives me still too low, minus 0.208, which I think will be pretty near, but I have to check on either side of what I think my x is going to be, so I have to double check 1.7. See what I get then. So that's going to give me 1.526, which is too high. Now, looking at these numbers, I can pretty much guess that it's going to be 1.6, because that's looking far closer to 0 than this one. However, you won't get all the marks unless you try the 1.65. So even though we were pretty sure, just to get that final mark, you have to substitute in your 1.65, which gives me 0.63425, which is too high. So we can see, we can draw a little diagram, and we tried 1.6, 1.7 and 1.65. The 1.6, that should have been too low. The 1.6 was too low, the 1.7 was too high, and the 1.65 was too high. Therefore, it's going to be this one here. So it's really important that you state that x is equal to 1.6 to 1 decimal place.